let me show you how you can start using other people's contents to make money. Yes, you can actually use other people's content to start making money on either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Very easy. All right. You can even make money more than the owner of the content. This is a lot of secrets people don't know, but on this video, make sure you watch this video to the end. Share, click on the share button. See, when you share video like this, your channel is going to grow. So make sure you share this video. Very, very important. So watch this video today and let me show you how you can grab people content, then reuse it. You don't know one thing about in US, there is a copyright law that you can actually reuse people content and you can, for informative purpose, right? You can actually you reuse it and you can make money from it. So make sure you watch this video, right? So let's go to my tab so I can show you how you can start creating content without revealing your face. All you just have to do is using other people content to get monetized. So let's go there. If you want to be posting on TikTok, all you just have to do is download content from Instagram. And if you want to be posting on Facebook, you can still download from Instagram. And if you want to be posting on Instagram, download from either Facebook or TikTok. And if you want to be posting on TikTok or on YouTube, all you just have to do is download from the 3 platform, right? If you don't want to have copyright, you should don't download from the platform you are going to post. So let me take you around how I download stuff without any watermark. So I'm going to look for content on Instagram right now. So I'll just click on this. So once I click on this, most of the content I love using very dark man content and geeky. Most of these people, they don't issue copyright strike.
I am.
Strike.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Where's your office then?
I got Palace.
I got Palace.
Yeah.
No, it's not coming to here.
You know, I can give her my ID card.
Alright, so this is it. So
Many iPhone users.
I'm looking for very good content that will attract viewers. For example, you can see these people are playing with, and you see the kind of game they are playing. So it's fun, right? So it's fun. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on the share button. I'll just click on the share button, then I'll click on copy. So once I click on copy, I'll minimize my screen. Then I'll go to my Chrome browser. So I'll click on the Chrome browser here. Then I want you to visit this website, right? So that says, look at the URL snapsave.app. So if you get there, sometimes they run advertisement like this. So I will just click on this arrow here facing up. Then to paste, you can see where they say paste video URL Facebook. So you can decide to put Facebook there or Instagram. They both work the same way. All right, so I will just click on download. So it's going to come up like this. Then I'll click on download video. Then I'm going to click on close. Then I will save. So this video usually download in sometimes 2K, 4K. So those are the quality. So I'll just click on open. So it's going to open this way. Then I'll look for the video here. You can see the video in my folder because I'm using iPhone. Once you download on iPhone, it will not go straight to your phone gallery. All I'm going to do, I'll click on the erase document, the ones by the left hand side. So I'll just click on it. Then I'll click on save. Alright, so now I have this video in my gallery. So all I'm going to do here now, I'll just minimize, and I'm going to go to my CapCut. So I'll search for CapCut. Right, so I'll click on my CapCut app. Then I'm going to click on new project. Right, so once I click on new project, I'm going to add the video there. So I will add the video, and the video is going to come this way. So I'm going to show you 2 methods I use. Right, I'm going to show you 2 methods I use. So this is the new video. Sometimes I reduce the speed of the video, all right, and sometimes I increase the speed, depend on what happened in the video. So for example, like the activities that happen here are kind of fast, so I'll just reduce it. So I'll just reduce it to like 0.9. So don't click on change audio voice, so that don't click on it, leave it like that so that the audio voice won't change. All right, so I'll just click on the mark. Then I'm done with that one, so I'll just go. So I'll play it again. So sometimes I
click on it to increase the volume so that the volume will be different from the actual one. Like this. I see. So what I'm going to do next again, I want to like do a little retouch on it. So we just come here. I can decide to kill the sound so it will be different from, so I will reduce that. So if you are using a quick app, you won't have that. Still leave it that way. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit the, I'll click on adjustment, the adjust. So I'll just click on it. Then I will increase the contrast to like 6. Then I will take the chap into about 40. Then I'll click on apply to all. Then sometimes I can decide to, select one of the filter to make the video look more different. And I'll click on it again. Then the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to look for overlay. Then I'll click on overlay to bring my image beside the video. Right. So if you make a video, you can decide to upload a good video of yourself there. So but for now, this is what I'm going to do. So let's say if this is me, and I want the video to be by it, all I'm going to do here is I will just click on this, then I'll click on add. All right, so once I click on add like this, I'm going to reduce it, and then I will drag it down a little bit. So this is another thing I want to show you, so make sure you pay attention, make sure you watch this video to the end, right? And if you are joining this channel for the first time, make sure you share this video, right? Make sure you share this video. All right, so I'm going to click on remove BG. So I'll click on remove BG. I'm going to click on the auto remover. If you don't have the auto remover, you can decide to use the custom remover. And if you don't have that, you can use the chroma key. Thank me later. All right, so I will just click on this. You see, it's removed already. So you can reduce it a little bit. All right, just be one side there for people to just know that for algorithm, any of the social media algorithm to detect that you have recreate this content. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay the picture down. This is picture. So after laying it, I'm going to the exact spot at the end. Then I'm going to cut it. So I'll cut the first one a little bit out of it. Then I'm going to cut the second one out of it, then delete it, and we have this. All right, so let's say if I want to like write my name on it, all I'm just going to do to pull my tag, I'll just click on the test, then I'll click on add test, then I'll just type maybe CBS updates, right? Then I'm going to click on the font. There is this specific font I love using, so I don't just use any font. So I will just click on this. Is this one here, right? And I'm going to mark, but before then I'll click on style, then I'll click on stroke, then I'll put the stroke to the black, then I will increase it a little bit, then I'll click on glow, right? Then I'll click on pro, because this CapCut is a paid one, so I can use that, and for you can use the first one. This is what the first one look like. You can decide to put it this way, then increase the intensity, the range. You can decide to increase it, but I love using the first one, so I'll put it on white, then increase this, then bring it down a little bit to know that this is what I'm doing. Man, I love making a lot of stuff for you guys so you can make money from it. So make sure you appreciate me in whatever I'm doing by just liking this video, drop comments, and stuff like that. I'm going to do this, so I will just click on you see the way I'm scrolling, so I will just click on last testing. So once I click on the last testing, it's going to lay from the beginning of the video to the end. So I'll just click on it. Boom, we have it. You see, so we have it. So now for this, I'm going to create a cover. So I will look for an attractive place in this video to use it for cover. So if you look at where it says mute clips audio, the next one before the video, you can see cover there. So just click on it to select a thumbnail. So I'm going to like look for a good caching thumbnail that I can choose. So let's see. All right. So I'm going to use this. I don't know why I decided to use this, but I love working with my brain. Whatever things my brain said I should go with, that is exactly what I love going with. So I will just click on save, and I'm going to click on export. So this is what you're seeing, but if I'm exporting now, look at what it's going to show. So I'll just click on, okay, if I want to get a good quality, this is what I do. You can see at the top they write AI Ultra HD. So I love clicking on it to check. For example, you can see the resolution. We have about 480, we have 720, and we have 1080. Right, the resolution is already on 1080. That means the quality is okay. And if you want more quality like 2K to 4K, you can decide to draw this to the end. But for me, I will just leave it this way, and I'll click on export. And you see how fast this is. This is because the video is not that heavy. That is why we are having this. All right, so now I'm just going to click on done. Right, so if you have a TikTok account, all you just have to do now, since we have the thumbnail, we just have to go and post it. All right, so let's click on it. So I'm going to click on TikTok. So once I get to TikTok, I'll click on upload. Then I'm going to select the video. So you see that the minute of the old video is different from the new, and you can see the thumbnails are different. So I'll just click on the video we edit. Then I'm going to post this skin. Then I can decide to title it up. All right, so I'll click on circular project. So I'll just click on it and have this this. Then I can decide to game is really fun. Right, make sure you work with your brain so your brain can generate one or two stuff for you. So if you don't have hashtag, you can leave it. So I'm going to like click on edit cover. If you don't want this particular cover, you can decide to edit one, maybe this one, then click on it, then click on post, and boom, you can see it's counting already. So this is how you can start using other people content on TikTok, on all the whole social media. So you can, do this for all of them. You can do this for all of them, right? So if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube accounts so that anytime I drop video like this, you will miss out. Peace.
If you learned something from what you just watched, please like this video, share so that other can, learn from it and use it and start making money from it. Please just share. This is how you can help others, and this is how you can help me grow as well. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube account, my TikTok account. Just one love.